So just completed our hand-picked premium range chocolate class. This class comes after chocolate mithai class because chocolate mithai we learn 12 to 14 flavors, right from coloring to flavoring of your chocolates and 2 bars. Now this is one step ahead. So all those of you who want to upgrade your chocolate making skills or sharpen your skills with different varieties of chocolates, this is the best class to actually come and learn, because this class completes all about pralines. It talks about truffles, all those mithais which we made earlier, that is yesterday. You can convert them into truffles, you can convert them into chocolate cups, so that this class becomes again a very versatile class for just to upgrade yourself. Secondly, best part kit, this Diwali is coming up, so we did a lot of festive chocolates because these are very very helpful when you're working with wedding favors, Rakhi festival, Ganpati festival, Diwali festival, even your Christmas, because brittles run really well during Christmas as well. So this is one class that everybody should attend because we have so many things to show. Let's go through the varieties that we have learned today. So we all know Ferrero Rocher is something which is an imported chocolate, but today we have made this a version of Rochers where one is a Biscoff Rocher and one is a walnut Rocher. So we have made two kinds of Rochers with wrapping is shown. Then we came up with loads of varieties in domes. So we have a very different and a twisty twist to a sneaker. So we have made a spicy sneaker chocolate bite. Then we have a mini fruit-nut chocolate bite. We have a cupcake, but cake pop style. So it's a cake pop with a cupcake. A swirly raspberry chocolate. A chili chocolate with transfer sheet. So you can see a design behind. Then we did a triple layer. So triple layer is something where you have 3 different layers in colors, and you can even do a combination of flavors. So whatever 2 flavors can match together, you can make those flavors and make them into a layered chocolate. Okay, so that's your triple layer. Then this is a truffle that I was talking about. So we had made the Kalakand truffle yesterday, Kalakand chocolate. We turned it into a truffle, and that we made it into a chocolate cup. So now you have also learned how to prepare an edible chocolate cup, which can be made for desserts as one biter dessert shots, and that I have just put the truffle on top, and that's how it became a chocolate truffle cup. Okay. Then comes your pralines. We have loads of pralines to discuss. Before that, yes, I have 2 things to more show you. That's a rose. We have enhanced the rose with a red lining, and then we have wrapped it in such a way, decorated in such a way that it looks like as if you are giving one gift to somebody. So this is the best rose stick to be given for Women's Day, for Valentine's Day, okay, Mother's Day. This is the best. Next, we have the pan bites. So we have a rose pan bites ready, and this is how we can wrap them also individually, one each. Now coming to pralines, we have cashew nut pralines. Now we have made it in 3 styles. We have a cashew nut Turon logs, we have a cashew nut Turon chocolate diya, and we have a cashew nut Turon but in rock style. Okay, so and with lots of glitter. You can see festive means glitter, gold. Then we did Florentine. Today we have created a Florentine but in a very different way. That's our huge sized 100 grams almond Florentine in a brand new mold. So this will be definitely a hit for this Diwali. I'm going to focus a lot in this Diwali for this kind of Florentine shape. And lastly, we have this ultimate brittles, which we have actually stacked them. So don't move, don't fall. Okay, so these are our almond brittles, made both sides with chocolate and almonds, and cut them into bark shape. And now these brittles are again very festive, best to give them for this Diwali. And I have also discussed pricing, storage, transportation. Obviously everything can be transported besides your milk products. Rest everything can be transported very easily. Pricing has been discussed, how to pack it in the boxes, how to make a Diwali festive creation in a box itself. All assortments can be put. So yesterday's mithai chocolates, combining with your pralines, okay, combining with one of the biters and combining it with one pan bites. So it becomes a complete package itself in one hamper. Okay, so that's how we completed our today's handpicked premium range chocolate class. And once again, I have Shweta here. I had two online students who joined us. And Shweta, would you like to tell me about your experience from yesterday to today?
Yes, today I like this Florentines and pralines because I can make it at home. I have everything at home for this
Okay.
one, so I can try it at home. And this was very nice. Like I don't know, I can connect this with the childhood memories
Yeah?
where we had this Alpenleaves and
Oh,
all.
yeah,
Yes,
correct.
so I like today's class.
Right. See, yesterday was of course very festive, very traditional
Yes.
flavors. Today we have done a complete mix of everything, and which definitely everybody will love to eat.
Yes.
Okay, it's nothing that कुछ पसंद नहीं आया.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will come up with another class of mithai cum handpicked premium range in the month of October before Diwali. So all those who have just missed out this class, couldn't attend because of some reasons, we will be repeating the mithai class and the handpicked premium range class in the month of October. Those interested, contact me personally. Okay, thank you.